Welcome to Metrology lecture series. In the present video, we will discuss the differences between the precision and the accuracy. First, we will discuss the definition for the accuracy. Accuracy means how close a measured value is to the true value. So let's see the example. If the actual length of a rod is 10 centimeter and measuring tool also shows the 10 centimeter only, then measurement is accurate. So next we have to see the definition for the precision. Precision is a measure of how close a series of measurements are to one another, irrespective of the actual value. So let's see the example. Measure the length of a rod 5 times. And let's consider we are getting the values are the 9.8 centimeter, second time 9.81 centimeter, so third time 9.79 centimeter, so fourth time 9.80 centimeter, and fifth one is the 9.81 centimeter. So observe here, all the measured values are the close to each other. So then you have to say that one the high precision. But actual value is the true length is the 10 centimeter. But average value is the not close to the true value, but all the measured values are the very close to each other. Then we have to say that when the measurements are precise but not accurate. So let's see the another example with the playing dots. For example, if the dart is hits the bullseye, then we can say that hit the target with high accuracy. Similarly, you have to observe the second condition. If the dart is hits far away from the bullseye, then we can say that when the hit the target with low accuracy. So accuracy means how close a measured value is with respect to the true value. Similarly, with the same example with the playing dots, we have to see the precision. So let's consider if all the dots are close to each other, then we can say that we have a high precision. If all the dots are scattered pattern, so we can say that one it has the low precision. So now we have to see the some other examples. It is the combination of the precision and the accuracy. See, observe the first one. So all the dots are not close to each other. So then it is the low precision. And moreover, all the dots are far away from the bullseye. Then you have to say that one it is the low accuracy and the low precision. Then observe the second picture. Here all the dots are very close to each other. So it is having the very high precision. But these all the dots are far away from the bullseye. Then you have to say that one the low accuracy. It is the low accuracy and the high precision. Next we have to see the third one. So all the dots are not close to each other. So then it is the low precision, but all the dots are very near to the bullseye, then it is the high accuracy. So high accuracy and the low precision. So next observe the another picture. Here all the dots are the very close to each other and all are hits the bullseye. Then you have to say that one this is the having the high accuracy and the high precision. Precision of a measurement system related to the reproducibility and repeatability, which means precision is the degree to which repeated measurements under unchanged conditions show the same results. But accuracy of a measurement system is the degree of closeness of measurements of a quality to that quantity's actual value. So next we have to see the differences between the accuracy and the precision. So precision is the degree of closeness of the measurements with each other. But accuracy is the degree of closeness of the measurements to target. So next to precision often refers as it is the repeatability and reproducibility error. But accuracy often referred as bias error. And moreover, precision is getting consistent results of repeated measurements. And accuracy is measuring near the target or the true value. So these are the differences between the accuracy and the precision. And this is the schematic representation of the precision and accuracy for the repeated measurements. First we have to observe the figure A. So here we are conducted the 4 measurements and it is the average value of these 4 measurements and it is the true value. And this is the error, the difference between the average value and the true value. So by observing the figure A, so average value is not closeness to the true value. Then, so these measurements are the not accurate. But moreover, we have to observe the figure A. All the measurements are the very close to each other. So from the figure A, we have to conclude that one the so precise but not accurate. Similarly, observe the figure B. So here we are conducted the mini experiment. So it is the average value and it is the true value. So average value is the very close to the true value. So it is the accurate. And moreover, I have to observe the figure B. All the measurements are the not close to each other. So figure B, we can be conclude that one the accurate but not precise. Similarly, I have to observe the figure C. So here we are conducted the, so let's consider this is also another measurement. We are conducted the 3 measurements and this is the average value and moreover this is also the true value. So here there is the no error. So average value is coincide with the true value and there is no error, then you have to say that one it is the accurate. And moreover, all the measurements are the very close to each other, so this is the precise. So figure C you have to conclude that one the accurate and the precise. So this is the differences between the accuracy and the precision, and thank you.